Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need admin rights and a valid product key. Once ready, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This elevates privileges so activation commands can modify system settings. If UAC prompts appear, accept them. Make sure you do not elevate in a restricted account. Once the elevated window is open, keep the product key visible. You'll use SLMGR commands next, so don't close this window until activation completes. You'll type commands in order. First, install the product key with SLMGR/IPK followed by the key. This writes the license into the system. Once done, if you use a KMS server, set it with SLMGR/SKMS and the server address so Windows knows where to validate. After that, run SLMGR/auto to contact Microsoft or your KMS and perform activation. Make sure network access is allowed. Otherwise, the online check will fail, so verify connectivity before continuing. You should verify success with SLMGR/DLV or Settings Update and Security Activation. This shows license status and expiry. If you see an error code, write it down because it tells you why activation failed, then try SLMGR/auto again after addressing the issue. Common fixes include correcting system date and time, running SFC to repair system files, or ensuring firewall allows activation traffic. If problems persist, contact your admin or Microsoft support with the error code for next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.